Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This video again we are going to find out on a trade opportunity for intraday using Camarilla pivot points. Today we took an analysis about two stocks. So what kind of trade opportunity we can take from this stock or how we can plan a trade for based on this Camarilla pivot point that I am going to explain in this video. It is a live market recording. So what kind of trade we can do using this strategy in this thing. So we are going to see two trade opportunity. So how it became the profitable if we are following the right trade opportunity on our intraday basis. The first stock which we have selected, that is Tata Motors, because this is what inside between previous day. Compared to previous day, the levels were inside between the previous day's level. So if you find this kind of inside day, so we can focus for a breakout kind of trade. So what we are going to do? So inside trade, inside day. So we are going to focus for a breakout kind of trade. So now I was a little bit hided the price chart. Based on this, so what is our trade plan first? Then we can go for our trade. So we are expecting the breakout trade. So the breakout level using the Camarilla R4 is our breakout level for a buy breakout. So here we are expecting buy breakout, and S4 is our sell breakout. So we are focusing the breakout trade on this particular stock because of the inside day compared to previous day. And whenever the market is breaks below this level, so we can go for a short. Or if market breaches above that level, we are going to take a long position. So when you take the long positions, you can keep the stop loss below this line, and when you take a short position, you can make the stop loss above this line. And if the trade, what this is the thing we are expecting in the market, so which is going to happen, but it may or it may not. So when we are taking a risk of, so the level which is we are going to take a break down level is around 310.05. This is a spot chart. We are going to sell below this level, and our stop loss for the trade is somewhere around here, this S3, that is around somewhere around 330. So we take the risk of around 3 rupees for this trade. So sell breakout at this point, and this is what a stop loss. When the sell breakout is going down, so we may be buying booking our target by S5 as our target. Or if the sell breakout fails, if the sell breakout fails after the breakout, so we will try to reverse the trade at 313 and sell breakout as a stop loss. These two scenarios which we are going to do in this particular stock, which will give you some better trade opportunity. Now I add the price chart and let's check it out how it is going today now. Yeah, still we didn't get any trade opportunity because market traded in between the R3 and S3, sorry, S3 and S4. The market was trading. So here S3 and S4. Still there will be a chances to break down below the level. Once it is break down, so we can keep the stop loss of 313.55 as a stop loss, and entry point is 310.05. So if the breakout is going good, so we can book the target by S5, and if it is fails, we can reverse the trade around S3. We make the stop loss around S4, and we will wait for the target of R3. That is what our, this is the point where we are going to take a target if the reversal trade is happen. So this is the trade plan using our Camarilla pivot point as our intraday trade, and another stock which we are selected the same kind of pattern which is forming on the Bajaj Finance Limited. Again, if you check that, this is the value which is inside, exactly inside from the day. So we are going to expect there is a breakout trade, we are expecting for the stock, where the breakout is, we are expecting 6129.5 is our breakout level. That is what here. And if it is breaken, 6170 was our stop loss. And if the breakout successful, and we are going to wait for the target of S5. And if it is the breakout is failure, again we are going to take a reversal around 6170. That is what S3, and we make stop loss around S4. That is what intraday trade plan, and we are waiting for the target of 6233. Using the scanner with the charting.com, we can easily scan what are the stocks which is inside and what are the stock which is outside day, and upper level or lower level, or even higher value, lower value kind of stocks we can easily filter out. But today's trade opportunity which I find out, this is a better trade opportunity for an intraday. So you can focus these stocks to get some great intraday trade opportunity. But still, I'm not going to take a buy reversal at this point. And also I'm not going to take a sell reversal at this point. Why? Because of this is inside day where we are going to focus for a breakout kind of trade. So while we are focusing for a breakout kind of trade, we are not going to focus either the buy reversal or sell reversal. Once the breakout failures, so we can go for a buy or a buy reversal or a sell reversal. So that is what a stock which we have selected based on the Camarilla pivot point. So you can check these levels how it is working. But now the market is going on. So let's see the end for this video of after market close, and let's see how it is working. Okay. And thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, you can like and share to your friends. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment on this video. We'll make clear about your doubts and then another video. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.